Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and thank you so much for tuning in to this video today. And hello to all the new subscribers who have recently subscribed to my channel. I have been observing that quite a few of you guys have subscribed to my channel. तो अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो ज़रूर इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और मेरे फ्यूचर वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक करें ताकि आपको मेरे हर वीडियो की जानकारी मिलती रहे. So today's video is going to be like a favorite products edition. So I used to do a lot of videos where I used to mention my favorite products, and that was quite a long time back, and I stopped doing that because that video never got a lot of views, and plus it was a headache. Like I don't buy so many products, so I couldn't show you new products every month. So overall now, because of the pandemic, things have gone haywire, and I also mentioned that why I was absent from YouTube because I did not upload for 3 months. So if you have missed that video, definitely check it out. So anyway, I'm going to show you all my favorite products or the products I've been using during this lockdown and quarantine. So if you're interested in watching my favorite products, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off right away, and I'm also going to mention that in my video, my comeback video, after a couple of months I did mention we did not have Wi-Fi, we did not have AC, and guess what, my computer has stopped working and I'm really pissed off at the moment. So I do not know how to edit my videos because I always use the YouTube editor, and that's always there on, you can only do that editing from a computer or a laptop. So I'm finding it very difficult to trim my videos. So if you guys know of any app which I can use on the phone where I can trim unwanted parts of a video, then let me know in the comment section. I have tried quite a few, but somehow मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता है इसको कैसे ट्रिम या कट करते हैं. So yeah, if you guys know of any such app, then let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to make this video like as precise as possible so that I do not have to go ahead and go and cut many parts of the video. So I hope you guys get what I'm saying. So let's move on with the video now. So I have quite a lot of products. In fact, let's start off with hygiene because it's the pandemic coronavirus. So if you have been following me on my Instagram, I did mention about the sanitizer. This is called the Actisol alcohol based sanitizer. This is really inexpensive. ये बहुत ही सस्ता है, 100 रुपये में आपको 200 ml मिलते हैं. इसका स्मेल अच्छा है, काफ़ी थिक है और हाथ को ड्राई भी नहीं करता है, तो मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. If you haven't tried it, definitely check it out. They don't sell it online, so you have to check your medical store. So after I got that, you also had to get a spray, and this is the spray we found. This is the Actisol Plus. So it looks like that. The spray bottle is really nice and it sprays well. Like if I have to show you, but the only thing I hate about this is the smell. It's very like alcohol-y type, so it does not have any floral scent. But ये बहुत effective है. Like आप इससे अपना चेयर, टेबल, डोर हैंडल सब कुछ सैनिटाइज कर सकते हैं. बाहर से ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग से कुछ मंगाते हो तभी भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज प्राइस एट 135 रुपीज़. यू गेट 200 ml, I guess. I think it's 200 ml. I'll mention it here on the screen. I cannot find it at the moment. Overall, it's cheap, but I wouldn't say it's very cheap. But this is what we found, and I've been liking it. So yeah, these were the first two products, and they are like sanitizers. So next thing I'm going to move on to is the skincare. Now for my skincare, I stuck to the basics. So I think when the lockdown was announced in March, I bought just basic stuff because I did not know what to expect. Like who's going to wear makeup and all that stuff. So I just stuck to the basics, and whatever I was getting at the chemist, I got it. So the first thing I got, which I've already finished, and अभी तक coronavirus गया नहीं है, like I'm really irritated, is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. So can you see I've completely used it up. This is a cult favorite, I guess. It's 120 bucks. You get 100 ml of product. So I always go back to this face wash. I would not say it's the best face wash in the world. And also they claim that इससे पिंपल जाता है. पिंपल किसी भी प्रोडक्ट से नहीं जाता है. It just helps in reducing or prevents the occurrence of it. So you have to use a face wash like at least 2 times a day. If you have oily skin in summers, I wash my face 3 times a day. So I have combination skin, and most of the time it's like oily, so that my T-zone is always oily. So I would not say my skin is dry. I would say it is normal or oily to combination. This works just fine for me. I mean लॉकडाउन में कौन इतना सोचता है कि ये नहीं यूज़ करना है, वो नहीं यूज़ करना है. ऑफकोर्स अभी अनलॉक वाला सिचुएशन आ गया है. So you can order stuff online, but if you're looking for a basic face wash, this is it. So I got this one, and I really liked it. and I have used it, so I do not know which is the next face wash that I'm going to use. Currently I'm trying the Oriflame one. I have done a review on my blog. I will link that in the description box, you can check it out. The next thing I got is that Gulabari rose water. I really like this rose water, so I always go back to this. I do not know why. So I've tried a ton of brands like from Shri Shri and from Patanjali. I do not like the Patanjali one because it kind of smells weird. This one is really amazing. Now it smells amazing, like it has like the proper rose scent. Now there's a lot of debate on this, like इसमें parabens है वगैरह है, but I've been using it for years. I'm sure most of the Indian ladies have also been using it. It's a trusted brand, so ट्रस्ट के बेसिस पे मैंने ये ले लिया, दूसरा कोई ब्रांड मिल भी नहीं रहा था. I think there's nothing wrong in it. Like it totally depends on you. If you are finding something better than this, go for this. But I'm showing all the products I've been liking in this quarantine edition and which I could find easily in my medical shop. So yeah, that was my next favorite product. Moving on, I'm going to show you skincare, and for that the first product is this Dega aloe vera gel. Dega is a brand which is 100% natural, organic, cruelty free. They are based I think in the south, and they did send me like 4 or 5 products, so this I have already reviewed on my blog. The consistency of this aloe vera gel is really thick, and guess what, it's a clear aloe vera gel. So I know many people hate that green color, in the aloe vera gel. So if you are that kind of person, if you are looking for like one of the purest forms of aloe vera in a tub, and this is the one you should go for. Now this is slightly pricey. This is 350 rupees, and it has a shelf life of 6 months, so they haven't added anything to it to increase it, to increase its shelf life. So yeah, this is really nice. It's just 350 for 100 ml. This is how it looks like, and I think you should try it if you haven't, because I really like it. Alright, so moving on, I have been using the serum that I have, and it's from Botre. The Botre फेस सीरम, ये ऐसा दिखता है और ये काफ़ी महंगा है. आई थिंक ये 1500 या 1700 रुपये का है. Yes, it's very expensive, and I got this I think in my Glam Eco box, and I do not know what happened to that company because I cannot find them online. I think they shut down business or what, I do not know, but they used to sell these amazing subscription boxes with a mixture of skincare and makeup, and now they are just not there. Anywho, coming to the point, I really like this watery face serum, so I'll just show you. It comes in this kind of a bottle. This is like the consistency, and I really like it. So I use it before I sleep. It really gets absorbed easily into the skin, which is what a serum should do, and it gives you a nice glow. Like when I get up in the morning, I have a nice glow on my face, and it did not break me out as well. मतलब इसको यूज़ करने के बाद मुझे कोई पिंपल एक्ने नहीं आया है. The drawback again is only one thing. It is the pricing. It's really pricey. ये सिर्फ 15 ml है. Now what it claims is that it helps to brighten the complexion and reduce fine lines. I do have fine lines on my face. I'm in my 30s, and एक bottle से तो भैया कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. But I will let you know what is my honest review on my blog. I will be reviewing this soon. तो मेरे blog पर अगर आप मुझे follow नहीं कर रहे, Instagram पे follow कीजिए. Whenever I post a blog, I post it out there, so you would know. You can go to my blog and read the review. But everything it's not possible to mention on YouTube. So yeah, that's that. The next product I have is this Multani Mati powder. Multani Mitti. It is from this brand called Hesh. So if you go to your local shop, you'll easily find these kind of brands. And I think I have used this before as well. So this is priced at rupees 46, and it has 2 years of shelf life. And how much grams? You can get 100 grams, which is quite a lot. So I really like this Multani Mitti. Nothing wrong with it. I've already filled some of it in a bottle, because otherwise everything gets messy. So Multani Mitti is basically for those who have oily skin, or if you want your skin to get more tighter, and if you have pores. Like I have a lot of pores. Like, can you see that? I have a lot of pores, so I regularly need to scrub my face and use a face pack. Now I did not have any face pack when the lockdown was announced, and I was like, abhi main kya use karu? So I usually do like a DIY thing. So the other day I had posted one on Instagram, and I did not mention what I have used because nobody asked me. So I just use a little bit of this and put rose water, falana dimka kuch karke DIY. I make a DIY which suits my skin, and I use it, and I think it's really amazing. If you have oily skin, just use this. Even plain water chal sakta hai. You can use rose water. I use it with rose water. Sometimes I would add some honey if my skin is a bit dry, or you could add 2-3 drops of tea tree oil if you have like acne, and it really helps. So yeah, this is my next favorite. So moving on, I do have something related to hygiene. I should have showed it at the start of the video, but this is the Synthol Deo Stick and it is in the variant Spark. So this is the one meant for women. This smells amazing. I really like it. I have, I think, used 3 tubes of this. So ये creamy form में आता है और ये आपके बगल में as a deodorant use करना है. Now I have very bad underarm odor. I admit it. Most of us have, and हम लोग हमेशा ऊपरी मतलब अपने कपड़े पे या ऐसे ऐसे करके स्प्रे करके परफ्यूम लगाते हैं. फाइन, मतलब उससे आपका बॉडी महक उठता है, बट आपके बगल में बदबू आएगी आएगी अगर आप कोई डिओड्रेंट स्टिक यूज़ नहीं करते हो. सो अगर आप डिओड्रेंट स्टिक यूज़ करना नहीं चाहते, नेचुरल वाले भी अवेलेबल है. मुझे ये मतलब बहुत कन्वीनियंट लगा. आई फाउंड दिस वेरी कन्वीनियंट. दिस इज ओनली प्राइस एट 60 रुपीज़ and this easily lasts you for 1 month or 45 days depending on how much you use it. I just apply it under my arms once I have bath, and it literally lasts for like 8 hours at least, or sometimes even more. It depends on how much you sweat. So if you're using this in summer, you will have to like touch it up like towards the next part of the day. If you're going to work, like you apply in the morning, and if you want to still stay fresh in that area, I would recommend to first wipe that area with a tissue and then reapply it. I think it's really amazing for 60 rupees. If you find a natural edition which are way more pricier, you can go for that. I think मुझे जो chemist में मिल गया, मुझे जो easily available होता है, मुझे जो affordable होता है वो मुझे पसंद है. So I really like this underarm deo. You can definitely try it out. Moving on to makeup. So makeup is a topic which hasn't been very much a part of my quarantine and lockdown. कहीं जाना नहीं है तो मतलब मेकअप लगा के क्या करे. बट टुडेज मेकअप, आई रियली कांट स्टॉप लुकिंग एट माई सेल्फ. लाइक लुक एट माई आई शैडो. आई विल लेट यू नो व्हाट आई हैव बीन अप्लाइंग ऑन माई आईज एंड माई लिप, बिकॉज फिर नीचे कमेंट में आ जाएगा कि आपने क्या लगाया है. Anyway, let's start with the makeup favorites. The first thing I am going to show you is this Spins BB Brightening and Beauty Face Style. So you get this in your local beauty shop or in your chemist. So I bought this from my chemist. Now this is priced at 48 rupees. I remember this was 40 rupees, and guess what? I've already reviewed this on my YouTube channel. तो आप इसका रिव्यू मेरे चैनल पे ढूंढ सकते हैं, या तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हो सके तो लिंक डाल दूंगी. तो दिस इज बेसिकली लाइक अ येलो एंड पिंकी टोन बेस्ड पाउडर. आई वुड से इट्स मोर ऑफ येलो. So this is how it looks like. Can you see that? And this is what I've applied on my face today. So you can, like what the instruction says is that you need to do this and you need to apply it like that. ये हम लोग बचपन में करते थे. If you are into makeup and if you have a makeup brush, then go ahead and use a makeup brush or a puff. So just apply it on your face. You can apply concealer and you can use this as a setting powder all over your face and even under the eyes. I have used it today under the eyes as well as on my entire face. I think if you're staying at home and if you want to do like a halka fulka makeup, this is amazing. I use it all the time, and this is my second bottle, I think. So what I have done is I have an old container which has a powder, like with those which has those holes in it, so it becomes easy to use. So I have put it in another container, and half of it is still here. So I wanted to show you guys in the video, so I had to take this out. So yeah, this has quite a strong scent, which I believe some of you may not like, but overall मतलब 48 rupees में आपको एक setting powder मिल रहा है, मतलब और क्या चाहिए. So whenever now, I guess some of you, not some of you, but most of you are working at home. So if you want to do like a Zoom call, or if you're doing a video call and you want to look a little bit presentable, थोड़ा सा concealer, ये powder, lipstick, kajal, and you're good to go. So yeah, that was my next, in fact my first favorite makeup product. The next thing I would like to show is a concealer or a foundation stick. I used this in my makeup tutorial last time. It is the NY Bay concealer cum foundation stick. This is how it looks like. I have used it under my eyes. It's not very brightening, but it kind of covers your dark circles and blemishes a little bit on the face. So this one is in the shade Grand Golden Central 3. So this is priced at I think 125 or something, and you always get it for like 88 rupees, 100 rupees, 95 rupees. I think the reason why it is cheap is because the quantity is less, because that is the reason why these sell like hotcakes on purple.com. So if you want to buy it, I would highly recommend it. There is nothing wrong in it. It's not full coverage, but it will give you like low to medium coverage. Like for everyday use के लिए ये बिल्कुल perfect है. The next thing I want to talk about is my lovely Vaseline. or Vaseline, whatever you want to call it. I think most of us call it Vaseline, but I've seen people call it Vaseline. And imagine my grandmother called it like Vaseline, and I had a hearty laugh. So, anyways, Vaseline is my most favorite lip balm and lip gloss kind of thing. It's really amazing. This is 5 rupees. 5 रुपये में आपको ये आराम से 1 महीना 2 महीना चल जाएगा. This is my third dabbi or whatever you want to call it. So it really moisturizes the lips. It gives a nice sheen to the lips. So you can use it over your lipstick like to make it look glossy and all, and perfect. I'm telling you, it's really perfect. So lip gloss पे पैसा खर्चा मत करिए. 5 rupees का Vaseline खरीदिए. The next thing I would like to show is a kajal. I mentioned in my previous video as well, like kajal and lipstick is sometime when I feel like अच्छा दिखना है घर पे, I would use like a lipstick and a kajal. The kajal I've been liking is the NY Bay Big Apple of My Eye, Kohl, water resistant, smudge proof, dermatology tested. So this was I think price at 60 rupees or something. अभी उन्होंने price बढ़ा दिया. It made it 85, still very affordable, right? 85 rupees में kajal. But I've been searching for the L18 eye drama kajal and I'm not able to find it online. Like on Amazon, you have to buy a pack of 2. मतलब 2 के साथ क्या करूँगी, right? But I've heard a lot of good reviews about the L18 eye drama kajal, so I'm going to try that. उससे भी सस्ता चाहिए, then go for this one. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a cardboard box, and this is really amazing. Let me just show you a swatch. This is how it is. Nice and dark. And I've applied it today on my waterline. Really amazing. So definitely try it. You can go to purple.com. You can download their app. If you're an elite member on the app, you get it like for what 60 rupees or something. It totally अच्छा काजल है for this price. घर में लगाना हो, आपको कुछ सस्ता ऑप्शन चाहिए, then go for this. Don't go for that Lakme one. The one which we used to always use बचपन में. That is the worst kajal. I do not know. It does not stay on my waterline. This is really dark. Stays put. I would not say that it doesn't smudge. You have to, either smoke it out or use like an eyeshadow or something to make it last. घर में ये आराम से चलता है. Even if you want to use it for office or anything like that, it's still really, really nice. So yeah, that is the kajal I really like. Lipstick wise, whatever I feel like wearing, I would do that. But nude colors are something which I really like. The first lipstick is from NY Bay. It is the Bad Guys Choice number 4. I've already talked about this previously on my channel. It is the best pink crayon lipstick ever. And look at that color. Wow. I'm definitely buying a backup of this one. Can you see I've already sharpened it twice, and this is how it looks like. So look at that color, like it's stunning. Like if you want like a nudie pink lipstick, which you want to apply when you do your Zoom calls or meetings, or even if you're going out or for a daytime look, this lipstick is just perfect. तो ये 150 rupees का है. Purple पे हमेशा discount रहते हैं. Whenever there's a 50% discount, I'm going to buy it. But lately I've observed on Purple they do not have a lot of discounts. I guess their business may have suffered a lot during this pandemic. So I totally understand that. But nonetheless, they always have these or discount. But if I get a 50% discount and nothing like it, I'm definitely buying this again. The next lipstick is along similar lines. It's like a pinky nude lipstick, and it's called Darling Isabella Naughty Nude Royalty number 9. This is still available, and you get it like for 94 rupees, 90 rupees every time it's on discount. Like look at that color. Like seriously, wow. Let me do a quick swatch. Now I have already done a review of these lipsticks on my YouTube channel. Swatches के साथ, lip swatches के साथ मैंने इसका वीडियो किया है, तो आपने अगर नहीं देखा है मेरे चैनल पर जाके देख लीजिए. तो ये इसका swatch है, and guess what, ये लिपस्टिक मैंने अभी लगाई हुई है, and oh my god, it looks stunning lipstick, like pinky nude matte. Now the thing with this lipstick, it does kind of accentuate the fine lines on your lips, but you can fix that. You can use your finger and dab it around, and then you can apply Vaseline, or you can apply a lip gloss, and the end result is going to be stunning. Really, I'm in love with this lipstick. There's also one lipstick which is like out of stock from last 2 months. I haven't written to Purple, but अभी तक वो stock up नहीं हुआ है. अगर वो stock up होगा, मैं I'll definitely let you know. That's like the best brown lipstick color ever. So whenever that happens, I will let you guys know. Now just to show you what I've applied on my eyes. This is not my favorite product, and I do not want to mention it because it's no longer available. So back in the day when I used to go to beauty center, they used to have this whole place where they would put a lot of eyeshadows, and this was one of them. So look at that color, like wow, isn't it beautiful? Look at my eyes, such an iridescent purpley silver kind of color. So this is like that BOB eyeshadow that you used to get. So I do have a couple of shades in this now. This is really old, like years back I had bought this, but I'm still using it and I do not have the heart to throw it out. This is very similar to the ColourPop one that you get. They have this nice, you know, wet kind of look. So this was in the variant 005. ये कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रहा है guys, तो मुझे मत पूछना comments में कि ये कहाँ मिलता है. I just happen to have this in my collection, so I thought I will mention it to you in case I go in future to beauty center, which I do not know in which edition or which time is that going to be, because you know currently coronavirus has made life miserable. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly mention that I am in love with this eyeshadow. I think something similar Swiss Beauty does make, that is price around 200 to 300 rupees. तो आप Nykaa पे check कर सकते हैं. Those kind of eyeshadows are really nice. They give you a wet kind of look. Now finally I'm going to mention two products which are not related to beauty, skincare or makeup, and these are from Balaji Wafers. The first thing I'm going to mention is this Balaji Wafers Yippee noodles. Like I was searching for this noodles from such a long time, and I finally, my daddy bought these for, you know, in a shop nearby to my house, and from the time I bought it I cannot stop eating it. इसका टेस्ट जो है काफ़ी सिमिलर है मैगी से, बट आई वुड से बेटर, और ये हल्का सा स्पाइसी है. इतना नहीं कि आपका गला जला दे या ऐसा कुछ, but you slightly feel the spice on the tongue, which I'm completely okay with. You could buy this pack. You could add, you know, shredded chicken to it. You could add vegetables to it. I just like to eat it plain. So if you have been following me on my Instagram, I have mentioned that Bye noodles are my favorite. Like मैंने उनको महीनों से नहीं खाया, and I'm really craving those. But this kind of helped me staying away from it. Bye noodles, I'm not sure if you're getting it right here. At this point of time, I will check in my local shop. For now, this Yippee noodles is amazing. 10 रुपये का है, 70 ग्राम आता है इसमें. So at time when you know don't know what to eat for breakfast, you can definitely go ahead and, you know, try this Yippee noodles. Nothing has been sponsored in this video. Balaji is not paying me to do this, but I think I love बालाजी का वेफर्स. सब कुछ मुझे पसंद है. लाइक मुझे उसका ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बना दो, आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. एंड द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट अगेन is related to Balaji and food, and it is the Balaji Wafers Flaming Hot Nachos. Oh my god, how many times I have mentioned this on my Instagram and even tagged Balaji Wafers, and they know that I really like these. So there are various brands which have nachos in the market, which is like Doritos and, you know, Mad Angles, all that stuff. Like Mad Angles, I think I have tried it, but ठीक है, बट इसका फ्लेवर बहुत ही अमेजिंग है ना. इस पर फ्लेमिंग हॉट ज़रूर लिखा हुआ है, तो थोड़ा ये मसालेदार है, बट ये स्पाइसी नहीं है. सो इफ़ यू लुकिंग फॉर रियली लवली नाचोस, डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस वन. आई हैव गॉट टू नो दैट दे डू हैव अ टोमेटो फ्लेवर एज वेल. सो अगर मैं वो ट्राई करती हूँ तो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे ज़रूर बताऊँगी. फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, आई मेंशन माई हैंडल आउट हियर. So guys, this brings me towards the end of this video. These were all the products that I've been loving during this quarantine and lockdown edition. So there could be much more, but I do not want this video to go way longer. It's already gone way too long. But these were all the products that I've been loving in the quarantine and lockdown. What are your favorite products? Any food recommendations? Anything that I should try or need to know? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're watching me for the first time, and if you like what you see, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon so that YouTube notifies you about every single video. Like I mentioned, if you know of any app which I can use on my Android phone to edit videos, and this is really easy, let me know that in the comment section. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, and also do not forget to check out my blog, and I will see you also in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.